Systems check. Sound off.
Phadera, let's get it. It's starting off nice. Molly Mason. Oh, I said that wrong. Mason Miller. They going hard with the music. Phadera. Phadera. Much on that boy. Damn, they got after that boy. Boy, they had some beef for sure, my boy. It's gonna be Halo 2 vibes. Damn.
You're already dead. How should I proceed?
Recover the data. Ensure there are no survivors.
Shit.
Who are you? I'm Dr. Stella Voltari. I'm a junior research assistant.
What happened here?
Oh, I thought she was pissing.
Doctor, what was the nature of your research here?
Everyone here is dead except for me. All my friends, coworkers, gone. There's a creature out there wandering the halls who could tear us to shreds. And
Oh, yeah.
you want me to believe that the Imperial
Speak.
agent who conveniently arrived just hours after the test subject escaped and killed everyone
You
just
said
wants
something
to...
escaped? What's going on here, Doctor?
I'm just a junior research assistant. They hardly told me anything. I hear rumors from the other staff.
What's going on?
Shit. We need to get to the reactor now. We don't have much time. There's a problem.
What is it?
The power compressor's been ripped out. I don't think we're alone.
How much time do we have left before life support runs out?
5, maybe 10 minutes. That thing is probably close, so we need...
Alright, I get the signal.
Go.
Run.
What's the signal?
This pistol.
glad to see that you're alive.
What were you really doing here?
Excuse me?
What was that thing?
I already told you I'm an assistant. They didn't tell me anything.
Bullshit. What are you hiding? Everyone in this lab is dead, but somehow you survived.
Look, we don't have time for this. Let's just arm the self-destruct sequence and get out of here before life support runs out.
You had something to do with it, didn't you?
We were just following orders.
I know. It's okay, but we can't just wipe this place out.
Why not?
We have to show the world what happened here. That these places exist.
How?
We leak the data. Everything
Leak
on
the
the creature,
data.
the secret outposts, and the Imperium's role in it. Which of these servers has the right data?
They're all synced to the same backup, so just grab one.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Wait, just give me a second. I'm almost done.
What are you doing?
I think I may have found a way to trigger the self-destruct sequence from this console. We'll still have enough time to get out of here.
Going right now. She tripping.
Almost done.
I'm sorry. But I can't let you do that.
Why? We were so close.
Following orders.
You just snaked out. You ain't have to shoot him.
I'm sorry, I really am, but
I just say it
I
back.
have to go.
Wait, you can't leave me to die here like this.
Why she act like she still can't complete it though?
No, please, wait. No!
Should've hit her helmet. I wouldn't like to see that. So that's the thing that was in the package. Looking like ravioli. Okay.